Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn data through pictures together, step by step. Pictures make data easy to understand. We'll show information with pictographs and bar graphs, then read answers from them. A pictograph uses a symbol to represent a quantity, with a key telling its value. For instance, one picture might stand for 5 items. A bar graph draws each category as a bar whose height shows the amount, making comparisons quick and clear. If 1 star stands for 10 books and Class 5's row shows 3 stars, that's 3 times 10, 30 books. To recap, a pictograph needs a key. A bar graph shows amounts by height, and reading them carefully answers the questions. That completes Class 5 Maths. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.